Okay guys, so I am here at my desk and the products that I'm going to be sharing with you are what I normally buy.
I'm rich, diamonds on my body rich, smelling like Versace rich.
Hey angels, I wanted to hop on here and share with you a quick tutorial I'm going to do, and it is how to do press-on nails. I know that I do them all the time. I've had a couple of requests on how I do my press-on nails, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you all the products I use and let you guys know on the different steps that I take to keep my nails that last probably from like 2 to 3 weeks. So if you want to see me do this tutorial, keep watching. And without further ado, let's go ahead and I'm going to show you all the products that I use. Okay, so here are the products that I use. I have my nail polish remover. I just picked this up from, I think it's the Dollar Tree. I have a nail file. These are the nails that I'm going to be using. These are the Gel Fantasy and the Length Long. So I normally use the glue that I have in here, but the last set that I purchased, the glue was dried out, so I picked up this glue from the Dollar Tree. It's pretty good. I normally use just a basic gel glue, but this will work, it'll be fine. And I also picked up a cuticle trimmer from the Dollar Tree as well. So the first thing that I do, move all of this out of the way. Trim my cuticles. Okay, so now that I cleaned all my cuticles, I'm gonna go ahead and clip my nails shorter. Okay, once that's done, I go ahead and get my nail file and I just file them, give them a rigid texture on my nail just so the glue will adhere better. That's done. I go ahead and grab my glue, and let me see if this glue is working. So these nails are so cute. They don't have names on them. Okay, so now what I use is this nail polish remover. I use this one just to remove all of the oils on there. Okay, so once I go ahead and put the polish remover on there, I go ahead and use my file and just go over one time just to make sure it's not wet. It dries pretty quick, but I just want to go over it one more time. So once that's done, I go ahead and start with my pinkies and work my way into my thumbs. So let's get started. That polish remover and just put it on your nails. But that's it, you guys. That's all I do. And just put everything up. And these normally last me about 2.5 to 3 weeks, depending on if I have super crazy like projects I'm doing. They won't last that long, but if I'm just doing the normal day-to-day things that I normally do, yes, they're waterproof. I do wash dishes with these, but that's it, you guys. I just wanted to hop on here and share that with you and let you guys know how I put on my press-on nails and how they last me about 3 weeks. So if you have any questions, comment down below. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. Until next time, we'll see you in the next video. Okay guys, here they are. Here are my nails. Not sure if you can see the color, but they came out so good. I love them. Let me know what you guys think. I will link in the description box below where all of the products that I used today. So if you have any questions, comment down below, let me know. We'll see you in the next video.